What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to attach an ISOBOX to your RVMIC1 V2. Now if you wanted to use your condenser microphone but you wanted the sound to be more isolated when recording, you can use something like our very own ISOBOX with the RVMIC1 V2. There's actually a couple different ways we can set up the ISOBOX to the mic stand. So one way is by taking the ISOBOX and attaching it to the boom arm of the mic stand, but we can also take the boom arm off of the mic stand so that the ISOBOX is more secured to the stand. So to remove the boom arm, all we're gonna do is take the base of the boom arm just like this, loosen it up, and then if we pull up, you'll see that it reveals the top threading here of the mic stand. For this setup, we're actually gonna want to borrow the threading here on top of our boom arm. So we're just gonna loosen the threading just like this, and then we're just gonna screw it onto the top of our stand like this. So now we can take our ISOBOX and we're gonna look for the hole here on the bottom of the ISOBOX and run that on top of the mic stand, just like this. And now to secure the ISOBOX to the mic stand, we're going to take this piece that comes included with the ISOBOX, line it up to the threading here inside of the ISOBOX, screw it on like this. And just like that, we have our ISOBOX all set up and ready to go. So now all we need to do is attach our microphone to the inside of the ISOBOX, and we actually have plenty of videos that you can watch if you need help with that setup. Again, you have the option to set up your ISOBOX to the boom arm of the stand, and for that you're just going to follow similar steps. Line up the ISOBOX to the threading here on the top of the boom arm. Take the included threaded piece that came with the ISOBOX and run it along to the top of the threading that we use to line up the ISOBOX to the stand. And once you have your ISOBOX attached to the stand, you now have the added benefit of angling the boom arm in a different angle with the ISOBOX attached. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your ISOBOX to your RVMIC1 V2. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.